Today I would like to show you how you can cut someone's hair, a friend's or relative's hair. Have you ever been asked, can you cut my hair, but you felt intimidated because you were concerned that you could possibly injure yourself or the other person or ruin their looks? I can guarantee you that with a little preparation, focus, and communication, you can avoid any hair disasters. All you need is a pair of scissors, a comb, your hands, your heart, and your brains. Today I will show you how to trim the ends of a long hairstyle. Long hair is the easiest because you're far away from the person's face. Learning how to cut hair is a very empowering life skill, just as knowing how to cook and to bake and to garden. And you can really help someone out and be of service. And also, if you really like it, you could turn it into a professional path. So let's get started. And I already pre-combed Shanti's hair with this white teeth comb. And now I'm taking a finer comb and I'm starting by combing the hair all the way down from the roots, the middle, to the left, and to the right. And now I'm asking Shanti to tip her head forward just a little bit. Now I'm parting the middle section. I comb all the way from the top. I use my pointer and middle finger to guide. Pull all the way through. Switch the comb from the right hand to the left and trim the ends. Then I do the same movement, one step to the left. And the formula is comb, guide, switch, and cut. Now I am moving closer to the shoulder and the part of the hair that's just behind the ear. Same thing. Just taking off the ends. Comb, guide, switch, and cut. And I am showing you how to do this while Shanti's hair is dry. It is always easier to cut the hair wet, and for the second round of a longer haircut I would do that. But right now, if we're just taking off the very ends, this will work just fine. I'm turning her around just a tad more. And now I'm asking her to put the head back straight because I'm past the shoulder point. And that's important to keep the line nice and slightly angled. So now I have worked my way from the center of the back of Shanti's hair all the way to the front on the left side, and now I'm going to do the same thing from the center to the right side. And cutting very long hair is best done while standing. The person stands straight, even. There's no danger of the hair being lopsided or bent or tilted, or there's no chair in the way. This is really the easiest to cut long hair. I'm going to turn you just a little bit more. And I'm going to go around. Again, comb, guide, switch, and cut. This is something you can try without actually cutting someone's hair when you practice just with scissors and combs, the switching the comb from the right hand to the left, if you're right-handed. And I'm adjusting the head again. Once we're past the shoulder, because Shanti has an angle that I want to follow. So this was just a very simple 1/3 of an inch trim. Thank you.